wow, all right.
Charging at 15.3 and currently at 0.8.
Okay.
Yeah. You gotta lift up some ventilation because the end's getting cold.
Yeah, it'll get hot.
Yeah, no ventilation.
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at SkyHigh Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Alright. Nice.
That's our B-Boys Winston Series 15, 5-inch voice score, 5,000 watts RMS.
5K?
Yeah.
Wow.
And it's on 17500, so they are under power, so you know you get decent performance.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
What's this tuned to?
32 hertz.
32?
And it's 300 springs per key.
Okay.
Yep.
300 and
300 springs.
300, alright.
4.5 cues per sub.
4.5. 4.5, alright. Where's your, can I see the power?
Yeah. C-Max is behind that, behind here.
It's hidden underneath the amp rack?
Yep, it's a 95 amp hour.
Okay.
Oh, you done the twin?
So you got the P-Boys Winston 7500.
Yep. Oh, wow, alright.
Charging at 15.3 and currently at 0.8.
Okay.
Yeah. You gotta lift up some ventilation because the end's getting cold.
Yeah, it'll get hot.
Yeah, no ventilation at all.
What is your amp wire to?
0.8.
0.8.
Yeah.
Have you done any kind of clamped power on it yet to see what the subs are seeing?
I haven't, but my buddy has.
So, because the subs are 5K RMS rated,
Yeah.
so it's probably babying them. Oh yeah, not giving them much? All the way?
It still does decent sound, but you know.
Oh yeah. Yes sir. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Yes sir, I'd like to hear it. Yeah man. Did you do any SPL tests on it?
Not yet, because it's a temp. We just doing it last night, so it's like
Okay.
we don't want to get the best performance at right now.
Yeah.
Shoot, so far I found one song that actually does loud enough to actually get a demo worthy.
What kind of frequency is it liking?
30 hertz.
30.
They're around 30.
Alright. And for the amount of space you have in this vehicle, man.
We're gonna take for big two-seater.
Yeah.
It's about like 12, 15. I know, right?
I mean, you got your back seats in the family vehicle, you can fit people in the back, so. So you said you're planning to make it into a wall?
Yeah.
A wall system? Oh, wow.
12, 15.
12, 15.
Yeah, hopefully it'll fit. If not, but you know, might do like 8, 15.
Yeah. Oh, man. Awesome.
What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of his system. Be sure to give him a thumbs up if you haven't already. Did a really good job showcasing it at the annual Summer Showcase Show in 2022, Jacksonville, Florida. As well as comment. Let him know what you think about his system. Say some positive things. I definitely like the amount of space he utilized for his box on his enclosure to keep it as a no-wall line. And with the way the sub's up, port back, usually is the most efficient layout box design for getting as loud as possible and having back seats. So shout out to you, man. P-Boys, I've never really seen their cardio brand around, but it's definitely a unique style. And these are 5,000 watt RMS subwoofers with a 7,500 watt amp. Keep in mind, he has got this thing playing full blast, but the subs may not look like they're moving very much because they are rated for 5,000 RMS at a 5-inch voice coil size, as he was saying. And I like the way he has an optimized space usage to where he has his back seat still, but his amplifier is able to go behind the seat and behind the box without having to worry about mounting to the actual box. So that's the perk of having a big SUV like this one. It gives you a lot of optimized space. So thank y'all for watching. Once again, I appreciate y'all subscribing if you haven't already for daily cardio videos. We're going to go ahead and get to the demo now. The song he's going to be playing is called Future Codeine Crazy 30, 33 hertz and up. So go ahead and enjoy.
That's the song I was looking for. Let's see.
Yes, sir. You're good. You did it great. I like it. And for the amount of space you have in this vehicle, man. Yeah.
Like 12, 15. I know, right?
I mean, you got your back seats in the family vehicle. You can fit people in the back. So you said you're planning to make it into a wall?
Yeah.
A wall system. Oh, wow.
12, 15.
12, 15.
Yeah, hopefully it'll fit. If not, but maybe like 8, 15.
Yeah. Oh, man. Awesome. Nice to meet you, man.
Thanks, man.
Hey, man.
Which one? Oh, yeah, that's
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at SkyHigh Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.